guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope everybody is having an amazing day so far. Today is Friday. It's Friday, yo. It's Friday, okay? Do you know what it means? It means that it's time to prepare delicious Fanta Bruta, tasty, authentic style Ghana soup, okay? So guys, this is no other different, okay? This is just a very simple recipe. You know how much, guys, I love to cook simple, delicious, stress-free soup all the time, okay? So as you can see, guys, I have my ingredients right here. I'm gonna go through with you guys and you will have the idea what I am going to make this soup. Guys, this is salted, authentic Ghana local soup, okay? So this is gonna be like a very delicious for your weekends, you know, your holidays or your sick days or your lazy days or whatever days, okay? Alright, so guys, let's go to the ingredients. Right, first of all, I have my meat right here. As you can see, guys, this meat is salted, okay? I have my meat right here. I have my turkey, smoked turkey on this side. I have my goat, man. That's what I have right here, okay? And also I have my chicken. This guy's chicken. You can find this chicken from African market. It's like roasted chicken. Yeah, I think it's very nice. You know, this one is actually the hard chicken, okay, and they roasted it. So this basically is very nice for any soup, okay? You can use it to make your any type of soup, peanut butter soup, light soup, red soup, whatever soup you feel like. You know, this chicken is very awesome. I prefer it very much when I do like mixed soup, okay? And also, guys, like I said, I have my goat, I have my chicken, and I have my turkey right here. I have my blended onion, garlic, and ginger, okay? So this is what I am going to use to season my meat. And guys, today is going to be a little like tomato soup style, local style, okay? So I have about 5 tablespoons of tomato paste right here. That is gonna go as well. And also when you come on this side, I have my onion. I have 1 tomatoes and 1 red onion, okay? So I'm not gonna use a lot, just a simple recipe. And also I have about a half teaspoon of salt, depending, you know, soup you add more as time the soup, you know, cooks. So we're gonna start with half teaspoon. And my seasoning, as you can see, guys, I have a lot of seasoning right here, and they are all healthy, so don't worry, okay? No, you don't have to worry about your health. And then OBAAPA the bomb quine. Bomb a very young quine, as I say, it's not snake in a share, young queen, why? Alright, guys, let's get started. Alright, guys, so right now, as you can see, I have my pot already on the stove. So I am cooking this soup in a medium heat. So first of all, to make a delicious soup, no, you have to season your meat, okay? So right now, I have my meat right here, as like I said, I showed you the earlier one. So I'm gonna add the goat meat first. Okay, I got this one is a goat rib right here, and also I'm gonna add my turkey meat. This soup is gonna look delicious and taste great. Alright, guys, and I'm gonna add my chicken on this side as well. I like to add the seasonings first because that way it goes everywhere, okay, where you want the seasoning to go. So make sure you just spread it around, you know, your soup. Baby, yeah, that's what we want. So, and also this time around, I'm using pepper powder because my husband said the habanero is too spicy, so I'm just using pepper powder for now. And of course I'm gonna add my salt right here as well, and then we'll follow the onion, ginger, and garlic, okay? So that will be the seasoning. Soupy the bed. Come on, guys, look at that. Salted soup. And also I am going to add my tomato. I'm using just 1 for now, and then I'll add the onion right here. Okay. okay? And then I have a cup of water. I'm going to use it to raise my bowl, and then it's gonna use that. So at this point, everything looks cool. Okay, as you can see, look very nice. So I'm just gonna cover it and let it simmer. Okay, yeah, you just cover your soup, you know, let it simmer for about 30 minutes, okay, before you add the rest. Alrighty, hey, let me work out. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's been 30 minutes so far, so I just covered it halfway. So next I'm going to mix my tomato paste with water. So this is basically going to be the soup right here. So I have what do you call it? I have some water right here, so I am going to add it right now. Basically I'm going to add more water, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is just mix it, you know, mix it with the water. This recipe is actually from my sister, my older sister's recipe. Yeah, it's very delicious after everything is well mixed. So now I'm going to add it to my soup right here. So I'm going to add more water. Okay, this is going to be the soup. Add more, because you have to make sure the meat cooks well. Yeah, so goat meat takes a lot of time to cook, so you have to make sure everything cooks through. Okay, so I think the onion is good enough, so I'll just take it out and blend it right now. Yeah, the tomatoes. And then you just, you know, cover it and then let it boil. So what I will do is I will just blend this tomato and onion right here and add it to the soup. So I'm just gonna cover it right now. Let it cook through. Alright guys, so now as you can see, our soup is doing good, so you're gonna cover it halfway through, or if you want, you can even take the lid out, you know. But I have my tomato right here, so I'm gonna add it to my soup. Tomato and the onion, right? Guys, this soup is smelling nice. You know, as you guys can see it. You know, you can see it. That this soup is gonna taste really nice. With apapon pine. OBAAPA kitchen, apapon. Guys, this soup is smelling amazing. Hey, gosh. When I fufu, guys. So because it's been boiling through, so I'm just gonna cover it halfway and let it cook and let it boil. Alright, so I'm gonna give it about 45 minutes to cook. Okay, so just cover it halfway. Madam for one, say that you want me. Na sense na MP. Na unsa unkwa na ya de. You sham so. Yeah, that's what you need, guys. So, you know what? Halfway through. Don't go nowhere. guys, welcome back. So as you can see, our soup is finally done. Look at the inside there, guys. You see that? Eh, soup no, and of course it's gonna go with our fufu. Today it's gonna be me and my husband, okay, so don't get it twisted. Okay, I'm not gonna eat this by myself, so yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and serve it, okay? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and serve it for you guys to see. Here come the rib right here, or giant fin or punching fin on that side, and also I got my chicken, the smoked one. Also it's gonna go on that side, okay? And then I have the leg coming up. That's the chicken leg right here. Okay, it's gonna taste very delicious, guys. And I have goat meat, more goat meat coming up. So, okay, so guys, this soup is looking serious. And I got some turkey. It's next. Okay. This is a Arabia special. Arabia special. Alright guys, so this is how it looks so far. I am so through with this soup, guys. Not just smelling very nice. It looks very delicious. Okay, this is it. I settle. Alright guys, so for food I settle. So I have my okra also, my cooked okra, boiled okra. I like a lot of okra, guys. This is how I make my delicious goat soup, light soup with fufu in the middle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, the smell will just throw you off, guys. So take time and try this recipe and let me know what you guys think, okay? You're going to enjoy this, and then this is how it looks. So and if you have more questions, feel free and ask me, or you know, not hate, okay? You're not gonna hate on my video. If you think you're a hater, just pass by, okay guys? But enjoy this delicious food right here. So and don't forget to subscribe to OBAAPA Kitchen, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Love you all. Enjoy afternoon fufu, papa b, goat light soup. Bye guys. So condo. Then you are kono. Alright guys.